Hi everyone, this is Sanchit from Mayo College and I'm from class 11th, and today we are going to discuss a topic that concerns every child today. It's about mobile phones, and the topic is that should children be allowed to use and own mobile phones? So I along with my friends would be discussing this topic. Over to Rajvi.
Okay, so I basically think that mobile phones in today's generation are a very important part of life, because mobile phones have made our lives easier, and almost our whole life revolves around the mobile phones. And I personally think that they should be allowed to children, as there are many aspects to it which which mobile phones make our lives easier. Over to Navya.
Hello. So I personally feel that children should be allowed mobile phones because we are living in the 21st century, and today our youth has to be connected with technology. And also, one of the main important things that we talk about children is their security. Firstly, like if you take my example, my mother has started inculcating in me the habit of traveling alone, and I don't think she would have ever imagined or let me out of home without a mobile phone. So I think it's very essential for children to use and own mobile phones, especially even in schools. I think whenever we have big events to organize and whenever we have a mobile phone with us, it becomes much more easier to communicate and it saves on a lot of time. So personally, I feel that children should be allowed, and it should be also the duty of the parents to give them proper guidance about how to go about using it so that it can save them from any mishap. Yeah, over to Jia.
Hi, and being a girl myself, I think that mobile phones are a necessity for all girls. When you're going out to meet friends, or when you're going out, as my friend just said, to go for journeys alone, and even when even in a school, being one of the best boarding schools of India, we go for exchange programs. We need phones in our lives. We need to communicate with our teachers regarding anything, with where you are, how you are. When you have to talk about anything, you have your phone to communicate with your friends, to just be in a connection and a network with everybody. Over to Riva.
Mobile phones are important, but I think as children's age vary from teenagers to young adults, I think they should be given mobile phones in small measures. First, given mobile phones with less active features, only to call up their parents, then with more features, then touch screens, and then so that they can socialize. Over to Nirvan.
Hi guys. Okay, so phones are basically one medium to talk to the world. So what I think is that phone is the god of the present world, because not having a phone with you means like being like totally far away from this world. Okay, so basically in my mind, what I think is that phones are a very important factor of today's life, and being a kid of the modern world, phones is a must for every child. Now over to Janet for phone.
Hello to everyone. In today's world, what I think is that mobile phones represent a show of trust. A show of trust from the teachers, a show of trust from the parents. If a child is allowed mobile phones, then the parent is trying to tell the child that, yeah, we trust you, we know that you won't do anything wrong, you will use it for the right purpose, because mobile phones have become a necessity. In today's world, interconnectivity is everything. If you're not connected to the world, then you don't know anything what's happening around you. You've got to get the news, you've got to talk to your friends, you've got to socialize. Everything is more convenient with mobile phones around. And the thing is that the adults need to realize that it's a show of trust, that yes, if a child is responsible, it's up to his own will, that if he has to study, he'll study, if he has to do something, he does. You have to realize that they are old enough, and that we are old enough to make our own decisions, and that yes, yeah, you can have your mobile phones, and that we trust you. Over to Siddharth.
Well, I personally feel that mobile phones should be given to everyone, as in if it's a child, though after a certain age, I mean around 8, but they should also be taught that what has to be done with the phone and what doesn't have to be used.
So my friend Nirvan talked about that how phones act like God, but that's where privacy comes in. Like he talked about that how if we don't have phones, we don't even exist. That's where privacy comes in. Like if we are having phones, if we are socializing on Facebook, Snapchat, whatever, our privacy gets lost. What about that privacy?
There's a certain age after which the children should be given the mobile phone, because until unless they don't have the sense of what is good and what is wrong for them, I don't think they should be given or they should even own the phone. So I think according to me, after a certain age, that is, means after 10 or something. And yes, it is important because you need it for interaction, you keep in touch, you got to have it for emergency and all. So that is what I feel. Still, you have the sense what is good and right or wrong. So then only should you take it, or you should own it. Not until the age barrier. Only after the certain age should you be given the phone.
I agree with Isha. I think mobile phones should be given to children, but only till a certain limit. Also, when you use your mobile phones, you lose connection with the people around you. When you don't know what you can have with the people around you. When you're on your phone, you're always on your phone. It's not even a second that you would want to look up and see what's happening around you. You don't look at the surroundings, you don't care about the environment, you don't care about what's happening in the world. The only thing you care about is when you have your phone, you use Instagram, especially in our generation, you either use Instagram, Snapchat, Facebook, or WhatsApp. That's it what we actually use our phones for. So it should be till a certain limit, till the time it's been used for a good purpose. Over to Dhiti.
Hi, like everyone's already said, mobile phones are important, but personally I feel that there has to be a certain age that you have to be given the phone. Because like, if I have my phone right now and I'm just sitting and I have nothing to do, all I'll do is, okay, let me just check my Facebook when there's nothing to do. So people really tend to get distracted also. Over to Rishabh.
Hello. I personally am not against mobile though, but I guess that mobile is a great source of distraction. For me at least, I don't have a mobile, but I guess parents should allow mobile, but it's not mandatory now. So it's okay, people can have a mobile, but they should use it in a limit, and they should care about everything else as well. So mobile too, like it's like everything, it has two sides of coin. So it's good, it's like bad as well.
Like in the beginning, we guys didn't have phone. Our elder brothers, I suppose, they didn't have phones, but we were the ones who started having phones at a young age. And what I personally think is, when my brother was my age, he's my elder brother. When he was my age, he used to play with his cousins, with his friends, instead of being on the phone all the time. Phones are necessary, but I really think that phones should be given to us only when we need them and not all the time, because it's a distraction. And honestly speaking, if all of us have a phone today, we might not play. Like in school, we are in a hostel, so we don't have a phone, so we guys play usually. But if we have a phone, I think it will be a distraction, and we guys will, obviously it will be a distraction for all of us. Over to the
I agree with Vasav that phones, like personally, if I'm given my phone, I won't talk to anybody. I will just check it. Even if someone's not messaging me, even if I don't have anything to do, I will just keep doing that. And sometimes, like Rajvi said about the trolling, some people enjoy it, some people don't, but I feel that it's really embarrassing and harassing. So I'm against phones. So people should be given phones, but to a certain limit. I don't think they should have it all the time.
As Ritika ji and Riti pointed out, that phones may connect you from the world, but at the same time it disconnects you from the person who's sitting right next to you. Like as they said, if you're given phones, you might just check Facebook for nothing. There's no one messaging you, but you would check it. Why? No reason. Just to pass time. Over to Diti.
Yeah, so like Vasav just said, he compared himself to his older brother. So, and like I compare myself to my younger sister. We have an age group of like 6 years, age gap, 6 years. So like when I look at her, she got a phone. She's like 10 years old. So when I look at her, I just think that I have more childhood memories than she would ever have. I would have more things to remember than she would. And I enjoyed and, spoke more to people than she would. So I'm like, she would, like, when she has to talk to somebody face to face, she'll have a problem with it. So over to Navya.
I completely agree with what all of them are saying, that it kinds of disconnects us from the person just sitting next to us. And I also agree to what Rajbir said, as that children are quite afraid about trolling and harassment and all that. So that's where I feel that our education system, that's where it comes in. That sometimes we in schools, we are talking about development, we are talking about so many things, but in schools sometimes we forget to inform our children about these basic things, which include safety measures while using a phone. Sometimes we don't even have such such campaigns as part of schools. And I think when we are in a school, when sometime we spend most of the time in a school, I think it's very essential that this is the time where our education systems, our schools, our teachers, our parents come into picture, when they kind of give proper advice. Like I said in the beginning also, that I think phones are very essential, but it should be given with proper guidance, because once it's given with proper guidance, it is much more a clearer picture to the child as to how he or she has to go about using it. So over to Jia.
I agree with everybody, but the point here is, are the kids old enough to actually take in the harassment which they would face on social media? Are they brave enough? They're kids. They do not know what it's all about. Some of them can break down completely. There's depression. There's so many cases nowadays that are caused because of the social media or social embarrassment on networks, sites, etc. I think this is a topic which everybody really needs to discuss about, because we as a generation or as the youth of India, which are the upcoming youth, we really need to do something about this. Over to Ashwin.
I think that we live in a country which is apparently developing, and it's very important for us to get exposed to such kind of technology, and the internet is very helpful in many ways. But at the same time, as one of my friends stated, we open Facebook for no reason, even though we have no work, and we look at posts like, one pray, one like. It doesn't make sense at all, and people have been making these things to make a fool out of people, and it really doesn't really help the nation or even the youth to do something which is more productive than what they can do. And the use of internet, it has not only the use of internet, also the use of mobile phones or many kind of technological devices. It has lowered the physical activities of the people, of the youth, and I have seen many of my friends who were indulged more in these things, but after they have got the use of mobile phones, they have really not gone out for playing football or something, because they were busy playing PSPs or something. Over to Tajveer.
Okay, since you've all heard our views of all our teenage 16-year-olds, we have this little girl Vedanteshwari. Let's see what she has to say.
I think we should be given phones as it gives us a sense of responsibility for emergency and safety use, but we should only be given phones after a certain age group.
Even I think that even Modi ji supports, some part of Modi ji supports that we should have phones. Like Paytm karo. कहाँ से करें जब phone ही नहीं होगा? Exactly. So I think that we should be allowed phones. It is a necessity, and this is the ugly truth.